Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's take a look at Autocad versus Eplan, which is better. In this video, we will take a look at both of these powerful software solutions and see how they cater to different design needs. Let's take a look at the pros and cons and choose the right tool for your project. Let's go ahead with the video. Firstly, let's take a look at Autocad Pros. Now, Autocad is a general-purpose CAD software. It excels in creating 2D and 3D drawings for various disciplines, including architecture, engineering, and mechanical design. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. AutoCAD offers a comprehensive set of drafting and design tools, making it an industry standard. Features like layering, dimensioning, annotations, and block libraries are widely used across different design fields. Now, due to its popularity, AutoCAD boasts a vast user community and extensive learning resources. Online tutorials, forums, and third-party add-ons provide ample support for users of all experience levels. AutoCAD also allows for customization through LISP routines and APIs. This empowers experienced users to automate tasks and tailor the software to specific workflows. And while not the cheapest option, AutoCAD offers a subscription model with predictable costs. This can be attractive for individual users or smaller teams. Now let's take a look at the cons of AutoCAD. Now, AutoCAD's extensive feature set can lead to a steeper learning curve compared to more specialized software. New users might require training to become proficient in utilizing all of its functionalities. And while AutoCAD offers basic electrical design tools, it lacks the specialized features and libraries found in Eplan. Complex electrical schematics and control system design might be challenging in AutoCAD. And for electrical projects, repetitive tasks like creating wire connections and generating reports can be time-consuming in AutoCAD compared to Eplan's automation features. And AutoCAD's built-in collaboration features might be basic compared to more modern design software with real-time co-editing functionalities. And managing large projects with multiple team members might be cumbersome in AutoCAD compared to software with project management and version control functionalities. Now let's take a look at the pros of Eplan. Now, Eplan is specifically designed for electrical engineering tasks. It provides a comprehensive library of electrical symbols, components, and functionalities for creating schematics, control panels, and wire diagrams. And Eplan automates repetitive tasks like wire routing, terminal generation, and report creation. This streamlines the electrical design process and saves time compared to using AutoCAD. And Eplan offers built-in project management tools for organizing and managing large electrical projects with multiple team members. This includes version control and collaboration functionalities. And Eplan adheres to industry standards for electrical schematics and documentation. This ensures your designs meet regulatory requirements and facilitates collaboration with different stakeholders. And Eplan integrates with various CAD and other engineering software solutions. This allows for a smooth data flow between different design disciplines included in a project. Now let's take a look at the cons of Eplan. Now, Eplan excels in electrical engineering, but is less suitable for broader design applications like architectural drawings or mechanical parts creation. And for users unfamiliar with electrical design principles, Eplan's specialized features might require a steeper learning curve compared to AutoCAD's general-purpose drafting tools. And Eplan subscriptions can be more expensive than AutoCAD, especially for individual users or smaller teams. The cost-benefit analysis depends on the project's specific needs and the value Eplan's specialized features provide. Now, compared to AutoCAD's vast user base, Eplan's user community and readily available learning resources might be smaller. And while Eplan offers some customization features, it might not provide the same level of adaptability through coding or APIs as AutoCAD. So, which is better? Well, the better software depends on your specific project needs. Go ahead and choose AutoCAD if you need a versatile CAD tool for various design disciplines, prioritize affordability, or already have a large user base familiar with AutoCAD within your team. Or go ahead and choose Eplan if you are working on an electrical engineering project, or you require specialized features for electrical schematics and control systems, or you prioritize automation and efficiency, or have a large team collaborating on the project. Ultimately, consider your project requirements, budget, and team expertise when making your decision. You might even find that some project benefits from using both AutoCAD and Eplan. And there you go. I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.